Starting with Microsoft Excel Introduction. Come to Start menu, All Application, and All Application Excel. Here it is. Another way. Come to Start menu, Search Excel. Here it is. You can pen and unpen it from start. When we pen it, come here. Here your Excel is. Left click, Excel will open. This was how to open Excel. Here are some templates you can use, and you can also go with blank workbook. Next is the interface. This is called the quick access toolbar. Here it is, the title bar, the Windows control buttons, the menu bar, the ribbon, group of buttons, formula bar or formula, the worksheet, multiple worksheet, and the status bar. That was all we have in interface.